this video, I'll show you how to make a smart lamp that changes color based on weather forecast for less than $30. So the first component I have here, I got from IKEA. It's this shade that has this translucent color. And this translucent color is meant to be so that when I put in the light, it's going to have a nice blended color display between green and blue and red or whatever colors I put in. And this item actually came with a light bulb, but I took it out because that light bulb is only one color, even though this looks nice already with that single light bulb. But I wanted to add dynamic colors that are able to show you what the temperature is going to be like in the next few days. The next tool is this LED strip on top of a paper towel roll. And I got this paper towel roll, it was actually longer before, and I cut it down to size so it could fit within the shade. And this LED strip I bought from online, and it had this sticky backside. And once I peeled off the paper that was attached to the sticky backside, I could just easily stick it on. It's not super sticky though, and some reviews have said that the stickiness doesn't last long and the lights tend to fall off. So I can easily just reinforce this with some extra tape, and that'll be no problem, especially because the interior of the light, the design doesn't really matter so much, and it's mostly about the exterior. The next component is this breadboard with this resistor and this capacitor, and this is connected onto the paper towel LED strip through this wire here. Currently it's on a breadboard because of debugging purposes. I'm also using these wires because of debugging purposes, but later on I'm going to solder these components together and use wires that are not so long and clunky so it can fit within the shade without blocking the light or whatever. And the last component is the Node MCU 8266, ESP8266. And this is the microcontroller that can connect to Wi-Fi. And the function of this here is to provide the control signal for the lights through this orange wire, and also act as a power supply. It also has the program which pulls from the internet the weather conditions for the next few days, and then it uses that to control the LED strip. After building the basic components, all I had to do is exchange the debugging wires with these smaller wires that fit nicely on the breadboard compactly, so I can actually fit it into the shade. And also I put the ESP on top of the breadboard, and I put the cable that leads to the lights here on top with tape. And with this paper roll, I cut out a small rectangle so that I can fit this on top of the breadboard like so. After putting in the roll with the ESP, the device will look like this. As you can see, there's the roll and the breadboard and the ESP down there. And here is the shade. You're not meant to look from it from up here, but if you go from the regular angle where you can't see the paper towel roll, this is how it normally will be viewed. It has a nice blend of colors just trickling down the shade, which is what it's meant to be. Here's the sample of the code uploaded to the ESP8266, and this will all be online on my GitHub, and I'll link it in the description so you can try it out yourself. And in this code, there's code that controls the cycles of the lamp and the wheels, the color wheels that it uses, from hot wheel, cold wheel, regular wheel, and also whether it sparkles or not. and this will be displayed right now. I linked everything that I used in the description as well as the code, so you can try out this project if you like. If you like this video, then go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.